Before I attach the window to the top of the garden box, I have to make a backstop and some type of locking mechanism. So what I'm going to do is, I got a piece of 2x4 here, and the box is 25 inches and the door is 32 inches, so that's 57 inches. So I think I'll make this 60. That'll give me quite a bit of room to play with. 60. Okay, my locking mechanism I'm going to make out of this piece of hemlock. It's rough, so it's a true 1 inch. Okay, my locking mechanism, I'm going to make it in the shape of a sort of like a hook. You see, be too careful. Okay, we'll go. No, I think I'll go 4 inches, and then let's see. I come in 2, 3 inches. See how that looks. Now I'll cut this off. Now my window will come up and hit here. So this will be the locking mechanism. And I want at least, say a 1/2 inch here. And that'll go, let me see, that way. And I want that the width of the frame. And the frame is around 3 inches, I believe. So we'll go 3 inches over here. And then I'll make this sort of round it. Here, let me cut that out and see what it looks like. Okay, the rest of this I'll cut with my jigsaw. Now I'm not going to cut this end until I get the right measurement here. There, and I want this edge, so I need to go down in the edge of that. Okay, I finished making my cuts with a jigsaw, and I'm going to take the rest of that out of there with my chisel. On the line. This is a 1 inch chisel, so it should pretty much do the job. There. Now I want this, let me see. The frame of the window is 1 inch, so I'm going to give myself 1 1/4 inches. That'll be right to there. Inch and 1/4 there, and so I'm going to mark on this side. Now I found a can that seems to be the right diameter, so I'll trace that. Now I got to drill out a hole for the pivot shaft, I guess that's what you call it. And this is a 3 inch groove, so I need, let's see, 1.5 inches. And then I take my punch, center, good. Now I'll do the same to the other side. put that in the center. And let's see, got 77.5 divided by 2 is 38 3/4. 38 3/4. 38 3/4. Check that. 38 3/4. Okay, now all my backstop's sticking up. Let's see, that's 32.5, we'll say. So, here, and from here, 32.